make some room. I turned straight, left, right at the caution red light, then I backed into the shoe. I said, hey, Miss Ma'am, could you take some time and show me how to stir the roux? She said, hell yes, I like the gumbo too. I said, hell yes, I like the gumbo too. Shrimp, poultry, and chicken poultry, sometime a piece of do. You flop some rice in a little bowl plate, drown that with your juice. She said, hell yes, I like the gumbo too.
She put some of this, a little bit of that, and she fried it till it boiled. The stink got gooder, you could smell in the air. Pretty soon everybody called. Before she spoke, we told them folk, you better bring your dancing shoes. We're gonna have to expand, got the woody band and a big pot of gumbo stew.
I said, hell yes, I like the gumbo too. Shrimp, poultry, or chicken poultry,
Oh, little old gal I knew.
Well, you plop some rice in a little bowl plate, drown that with your juice. She said, hell yes, I like the gumbo too.
Little Joe.
When the band tuned up, they were late on time. You couldn't hear them, they were light like hell. They played real quick on some slow down songs, and the people had to dance real still. The boss hollered softly, y'all pass a good time. The party gonna start when it stops. We got some hot gumbo, and your shake your and it's my school beer on y'all. I like, you talk about life, I like the gumbo too. Shrimp, poultry, and chicken poultry, and sometime a piece of do. Well, you plop some rice in a little bowl plate and drown that with your juice. We said, hell yes, I like